Hello everyone, this is Bipul from LemCoach. In this video, I'll be comparing Pitcher and LemCoach, two tools used for sales enablement and training. So I'll cover who each tool is best for, and I'll also cover their key strengths, their limitations, pricing and value, and finally when LemCoach is the better choice. So let's start with who each tool is designed for. Pitcher is typically suited for mid-market to enterprise companies, organizes with large sales teams that need structured content management and governance. It works well when there are multiple stakeholders or complex training requirements. On the other hand, LemCoach is ideal for growing teams, sales teams focused on performance improvements, and also it is ideal for organizers that want faster onboarding and skill development. In simple terms, Pitcher is enterprise level content and control, and LemCoach is practical training and performances. So Feature has some strong capabilities also. First is content governance, so it allows teams to manage and control training content if effectively. This is useful for large organizations where consistency is important. And second is reporting and workflows. So Feature provides detailed reporting, structured workflows, and learning paths. This helps manager track training progresses. And LemCoach focuses on a different area. First is uh, practice based learning. It emphasizes role plays, or it emphasizes real world scenarios also, and hands on experience also, or hands-on practices also. So second is coaching and feedback. LemCoach provides continuous feedback loops, and helping reps improve over time. This makes learning more practical and outcome driven. So now let's look at some limitations of Pitcher. So in Pitcher, setup and administration. If I talk about setup and administration, Pitcher can require more setup time, ongoing administration. This can slow down onboarding. So, and just second is slower time to value because of its complexity. Teams may take longer to implement training, see results. Or for LemCoach, if I talk about LemCoach, uh, if I'll go to LemCoach first, you can see here the dashboard of the LemCoach. If I go to practice scenarios, here you can see many paths are there, the learning paths are there. Here you can see cold calling, discovery, mystery, mastery, enterprise sales, objects and handling, many are there. So if I talk about the LemCoach, for LemCoach, first is less focus on content libraries. So compared to Pitcher, it may have fewer content management features. And second is simpler structure. It focuses more on practice. So it may not offer the same level of complexity for large enterprise content systems. So and then talk about the pricing. At a high level, a Pitcher is typically positioned as an enterprise solution, which means higher cost, more features for large scale operations. LemCoach focuses on faster results, skill improvement, and also practical training. So even if pricing differs, LemCoach often delivers faster value in terms of performances and improvement. So both tools are useful, but they serve different purposes. Like if I talk about the Pitcher, if I go to Pitcher, the Pitcher, you can see many options are there. I'll just go to leadership. Here you can see careers, awards, and praise. Pitcher paid are also there. So many like modules are there in the Pitcher section, in the Pitcher tool. So Pitcher is best for large organizations, content governance, structured training systems. However, LemCoach is better for practical skill development, coaching and feedback, real sales readiness. So, if your goal is to manage large scale content and training system, Pitcher is a strong option. But if your goal is to improve sales performance and ensure reps can actually apply skills, LemCoach is a better choice. So LemCoach can also complement Pitcher by adding a practice layer on top of content-based training, or even replace it for teams that prioritize performance over complexity. So overall, LemCoach provides a more effective and practical approach to sales training. So and that brings us to the end of this comparison between Pitcher and LemCoach. If you would like to learn more about both tools, you can find the links in the description below. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching.